Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can post a link on LinkedIn. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, let's go ahead and access our LinkedIn app first. We will go back, access our homepage of our LinkedIn profile first. Once you have done so, we're going to go ahead, tap on this post, aka the plus icon given below. Here in this section we can actually go ahead and paste the link, and we also have the accessibility of writing over like up to 3000 characters here in this post. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap paste our link over here. Once we have done so, we can actually go, if you would like to tag somebody, we can add media, we can add job, we can add events if you would like to. Otherwise we can go ahead, tap on this media. We're going to go ahead, select a particular media for ourselves and can attach it over here. We can go ahead, attach it over here, and we can tap on this post option given on top, and then we will be able to post this link here in our LinkedIn like that. So this is a very special. You can even go ahead, tap on this time icon on top and schedule your post, or you can do it just like that. So yes guys, this will be it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.